How cool is this? So many beautiful rocks. That's a nice thing to find on my way out. Hi everybody, it's Kate from KatyDid. We are back at the beach where I made Jim leave last time to see if we can find any rocks that we missed before. Come along. My squirter doesn't seem to want to squirt, but I am going to give Jim a bad time about this one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Kind of hard to tell with all the mud, but you'll see when we clean it off. Shirt. It's a heart. Sort of.
Sort of. You want it?
Jim has been picking up all kinds of small stuff, which actually is really good because I can use it for tumbling, and I wish that was an agate. Wouldn't that be cool? But it's not. This is interesting. Huh.
That is interesting.
Isn't that lovely? I don't know how well it would cut because it's so cracked up, but maybe it would. Maybe if it did, it would make some really pretty slabs. Let's take it along. Do you see it?
I see it.
Okay, you want to spray it off? Oh, there it is. Ooh, it's got some pretty stuff on it too. Hi, Kava. That's good, lovely. Jim has his anti-agate glasses on. That's his current excuse. He does have some regular glasses that he could put on, but I think he likes having an excuse for missing things. Nice piece of agatized wood. Oh, that's lovely. That is just, oh, it's chunky. That is just very nice. It's another nice piece of petrified wood. Wow, take a look at this jasper agate. Might actually be agatized wood. I have to take a closer look at it, but the colors are just so beautiful. I think this must be agatized wood probably, but it is big. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Gonna need your help there, Jim.
All right. Pretty good sized.
That is just so agatey. That's gonna look really, up, you're spraying my feet.
Sorry.
That's gonna look really sweet when it's, it looks like a submarine. When it's slabbed, it'll look, you can see right through it.
That is a
That's
nice piece.
If you're enjoying this video, be sure to click the subscribe button. Let's see if Jim can spot it with his anti-agate glasses. That's not it.
That's not it.
That's not it either.
Oh, let's just. Oh, here it is.
Wait a minute. That's not an agate either.
Oh, what is it?
Is it?
It's Agate.
Agate. Yeah, but it's not a good agate. It's a milk agate. All that effort for nothing.
Just a milk. How can you tell?
Because it's not very clear. It's hard
No.
with this light for sure, but it's just kind of milky.
See, I would have picked it up and said, "Is this something?" But it's not.
Well, it's something, just not anything we need to keep.
Well,
This is a jasper agate, and it has this really pretty jasper, and then it has some quartz pockets, and it has some little broken apart pieces. These jasper agates they're just one of a kind, and they are so beautiful cut.
I got a little bitty one.
Oh, but look at the dendrites in that. That's nice.
What have we here?
Hold on, I have something over here. Can you spot it?
I don't want to come.
No, you don't spot it. They can.
It's that.
That one is like cheater.
Oh, it's standing right up.
Isn't that lovely? Oh, Jim, that one is beautiful.
And it
How
looks-
big do you think it is?
I don't know. It looks like it's. Oh, it's flat. Darn it.
Oh, those evil sons of guns. But you know what? Why it's flat is that was a limb cast. And so it used to be a tree branch. And so that's how it got the water line there.
Uh-huh.
And it's kind of shaped like a tree branch. That is very cool. Nice work, Mr. Burton.
I see it. It's right there.
Oh, that one's quite clear.
Yeah.
Looks like it's maybe got some lines in it. That might be an iris agate. This is very cool. This is some coral, but this is really different than the coral that I've picked up before because it has the little lines are connected. I'm going to bring that one home with me. Chain coral, I believe this is. How lovely. Jim says if I catch up with him, he'll carry the backpack. Of course, I did keep going the other direction for quite some time after he said that, so perhaps I've made my own bed. This is a piece of jasperized wood. I actually picked it up thinking it was a piece of jasper, but wow, look at the colors in that. Well, we're just almost back to the boat, and I'm scouring the beach line to see what I can see. And look at this. This is a limb cast, and it is a big, chunky limb cast. This is like a whole log. How cool is that? Wow, I feel so happy. How cool is this? Well, thanks so much for coming along. I honestly didn't plant this, so it was the very last find I had. I just found it and it worked out really great. I want to thank all of you for being channel members and for supporting my channel and making it possible to get out here and do these things. So thanks a lot for your support. This is Kate from KatyDid. Keep on doing. If you'd like to share in these treasures, check out my Etsy store, KatyDidRocks. There's rock rough, slabs, beautiful jewelry, and even the book that I wrote about the Yellowstone River. Check it out. The link's in the description below.